Hello everyone. Today I want to show you one of the developments by a developer who's been on the real estate market for over 25 years and has completed more than 5,000 properties across Spain. This is a modern residential complex in the Mil Palmeras area, designed for comfortable living by the sea. The project features a contemporary style with light facades, spacious terraces, and well thought out layouts. The focus here is on comfort, space, and everyday convenience. Mil Palmeras is a coastal area in the south of Costa Blanca, known for its sandy beaches and relaxed atmosphere. The beach here is wide with clean sand and a gentle entrance into the sea. The central area offers a promenade with restaurants, cafes, and all the necessary infrastructure. It's a more spokojной and balanced environment compared to larger tourist cities. The complex is being developed in phases and consists of several buildings. The first phase is scheduled for completion on July 30th, 2026, and the second phase on July 30th, 2027. There are shops, restaurants, and everything needed for everyday life nearby. The area offers a calm atmosphere without heavy tourist crowds. Here you can see the show apartment, a real example of how the finished property will look. The complex offers 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, as well as 2 bedroom bungalows. Bungalows are available in 2 formats: ground floor with a private garden or top floor with a private solarium. The layouts are well designed, with spacious terraces and good natural light. The project is currently under construction. You can see the current stage and the actual progress on site. The complex is located approximately 600 to 700 meters from the sea. The beach is within walking distance. Prices currently start from €289,000 for 2 bedroom apartments and from €325,000 for 3 bedroom options. Some units have already been sold, confirming demand at the construction stage. Suitable for holidays, a second home, investment, and comfortable everyday living. A balanced option without unnecessary noise. A modern project with a good location and a clear concept. If you're interested in this property, contact me using the number you see on the screen. We can also help you find other properties based on your budget and needs.